Discover the advanced features that make the SEBO Essential G5 upright vacuum a top-tier cleaning solution. Built with German precision, it is designed to deliver unmatched cleaning performance. 1200-watt motor provides powerful suction for deep, thorough cleaning on carpets of all pile heights. 12-inch powerhead, optimized for efficient dirt and debris removal, ensuring flawless performance with every pass. Advanced height adjustment automatically adjusts to different floor surfaces, maintaining optimal cleaning power. 5.3-liter dust bag, a large dust bag that requires fewer changes, allowing uninterrupted cleaning. Advanced filtration system captures fine dust particles, improving air quality and maintaining a cleaner home environment. Easy maintenance, equipped with a tool-free brush removal and convenient dust bag replacement for hassle-free upkeep. Full bag indicator notifies you when the bag is full, ensuring consistent suction and performance. Experience a vacuum that combines advanced features with ease of maintenance, making it the perfect choice for those who demand excellence.